In a lush forest, a group of students embarked on a transformative journey of survival skills through nature education. Guided by expert instructors, they learned critical skills like identifying animal tracks and finding safe drinking water. One particularly engaging exercise involved creating natural shelters, stimulating teamwork and resourcefulness. As they faced the challenges posed by the environment, confidence and resilience began to blossom within them. This hands-on experience not only empowered them with essential survival techniques, but also deepened their connection to nature, reminding them that the wild holds valuable lessons in both survival and self-discovery.